Samsung Galaxy Buds or Apple AirPods, which one should you buy? Today, we're breaking down 5 key facts about each to help you make the best choice. Fact 1. Sound quality. Let's talk about sound. Samsung Galaxy Buds are tuned by AKG, delivering rich bass and crystal clear highs. Perfect for bass lovers. On the other hand, Apple AirPods offer spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, giving you a theater-like surround sound experience. Ideal for immersive movie watching. Fact 2. Noise cancellation and transparency mode. Both earbuds come with active noise cancellation, but Galaxy Buds allow you to adjust the noise blocking levels. Meanwhile, AirPods shine with their transparency mode, letting you hear your surroundings without taking them off. Fact 3. Battery life. Battery life is crucial. Galaxy Buds give you up to 8 hours on a single charge, with 29 hours using the case. AirPods provide 6 hours per charge, but the case extends it to 30 hours. Both are great, but Samsung edges out for longer listening sessions. Fact 4. Ecosystem integration. Galaxy Buds work beautifully within the Samsung ecosystem, supporting Bixby and even Google Assistant. Meanwhile, AirPods are a dream for Apple users, seamlessly connecting to all your devices with the power of the H1 chip and hands-free Siri. Fact 5. Unique features. Galaxy Buds support wireless power share, letting you charge them on the back of compatible Samsung phones. Super convenient. But AirPods have their own trick, spatial audio with head tracking, giving you a next-level 3D sound experience. So, which one is better? If you're an Android user who loves bass and customizable noise cancellation, go with the Samsung Galaxy Buds. But if you're deep into the Apple ecosystem and want immersive spatial audio, the Apple AirPods are the way to go. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons.